吸气 to breathe in, inhale. 吸 means to breathe, suck in or inhale. Well, 气 means many things, but here is air. When we suck in or inhale air, this is of course breathing. 吸 is perhaps not the most commonly heard verb, though more often than not, you'll hear it when buying a drink. Why is that? Because a tube that you suck a drink through is a 吸管 or straw. 呼气 to breathe out, exhale. 呼 here means to breathe out or exhale, while 气, as we just learned, means air. After an examining, doctor asks you to 吸气, breathe in. He'll then ask you to 呼气. These two terms really should be learned together, as it's highly probable you'll encounter them as a pair. And like day and night, we can't have one without the other. 正常 normal, ordinary. 正 means right, upright, man or correct. 常 means always, often, common or general. To say then that something is 正常 is to express that it is the correct and common way to do something or for something to be. If after weighing your weight, the doctor tells you it's normal, she will say, 你的体重正常. 以后 after, afterwards. 以后 means after, later, or in the future. 以后 is generally used as a time sequencing word and tells us, like an adverb, how or when something is going to happen. For example, 下班以后我要去上中文课. After I get off work, I'm going to Chinese class. 报告 report. 报 means to announce, inform, or report. 告 means to tell, inform, or say. Hence, when we put them together, 报告 can also be a verb meaning to inform or make known. In the dialogue, however, 报告 appears more as a noun after Pipe's physical is completed. The nurse tells him, 一个星期以后回来拿报告. Come back a week later to get your report. 站 to stand. 站 can be a noun meaning station, such as 加油站 a gas station, a bus stop 公车站, or, as it's used in the dialogue, a verb meaning to stand. At the beginning of his health inspection, the nurse asks Pipe to 站到这里 or stand over here.